Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, collectives. Okay, so this is for all signs, no zodiac sign needed. So, ang aking requirement lang para maging collectives kita, maging masali ka no, sa ating collectives is dapat naka-subscribe ka or dapat naka-follow ka. Okay, so yun lang, napaka-easy. Anyway, so, yeah, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe. And yeah, hit the notification bell para lagi po tayong maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, again, kung may tanong pagdating may tanong pagdating po sa love reading, just message me. Or sa kung anumang reading, private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin pagdating kay Perception of Light. And sa mga naghahanap ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi naman po tayo pwedeng mag-message. And don't forget to follow yung ating second YouTube channel na Love Letter, na sa description box below yung link. And yung ating mga items is all available. Bakit ganun? Umpisa pa lang, ang dami ng black. Ang dami ng blockages. Pagsasalita ko pa lang, ang dami ng buckle. Di naman ako ganon. Anong meron? So, this is for the month of May. Okay. Let's see. Gagamit muna tayo ng ganitong cards. And then, collectives, general read, and mamaya is love. Okay, so unahin natin yung general. Ano bang meron for you this month? Okay? Anong meron for you? Anong meron? Mensahe, gabay, prediction, if ever. Let's see. For the collectives. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, what's for our collectives? Six of diamonds. So that's Six of Pentacles. Be careful. Pagdating sa pagle-lend ng pera. If ever meron kang pahihiramin, may chance na hindi nito ibalik. Okay? May chance na hindi niya ibalik. May problema ka pa. So, ma-stress ka. Some of them kasi marami pa ring marami pa ring mga pinagkakautangan, mga ganyang bagay. This is parang Knight of Pentacles, no? That's specific. Pwedeng ang hihiram sa'yo is somebody na pwedeng sobrang hirap pagdating sa bayaran. Okay? So, what else for the collectives ngayong month? Okay, Two of Pentacles. So, decision making maybe, or something na pwedeng anyway, let's see. Two of Pentacles, Eight of Cups. So, may chance na parang energy na pagdadalawang isipan whether aalisan or may pupuntahan, parang ganyan. Let's see. Swedish Ace, Eight of Hearts. This is travel. Six of Wands, Six of Flowers. Okay? So, may chance na pwedeng meron kayong travel. An offer could be na pwedeng sabihin nating pagdadalawang isipan. Okay? Or, we have here Three of Hearts. Meron ditong pipiliin. Merong pipiliin, merong hindi pipiliin ngayong May. Isang iiwan, isang igogo. Something like that. That's general. Five of diamonds. This is the Five of Pentacles. Parang merong lalayuan or aalisan or iiwan. Or pwede namang pertaining to travel lang din naman because of the Six of Wands. For me, Pero sa paganda yung nakikita ko dito kung ano man ang maging resulta. Or sabihin nating kung ano man nga ang maging resulta, whether doon sa sa travel or sa pagpili, magiging okay. Pero dapat alam niyo yung tama. Okay? What else? King of Spades. So that's the King of Swords. Oh! A genuine love coming in this May. Genuine. Oh, the Four of Wands. No, the Four of Flower. Four of Clover, I mean. Okay, so for me, this is something na pwedeng papunta sa patibay. There's stability here. Some of you I'm seeing signing. Mayroon ako ditong nakikitang offer sa love. Pwedeng, yeah, this could be proposal, marriage, some of you. Okay, this person is genuine. Okay. Good ang kanyang intention. Yeah, Seven of Clover. Seven of Flower ba yun? So, nandun yung effort. Nandun yung sabihin natin pwedeng ilaban ka ng taong to. For me, sabihin natin there's challenges na pwedeng darating. Whether sa love or kung ano man. Pagdating ngayong May, sa ngayong buwan. Pero sa patibay, sa paganda. Okay? Merong mga energy na parang ma-accept or mapopromote. Okay, there's no energy of rejection here. Yeah, no rejection sa month ng May. Okay, what else? Money. This is the Ace of Pentacles. Ace of Diamonds. Money. What's with your money this May? May mga makukuhang loan, some of you. Okay? May mga makukuhang loans. The King of Pentacles. See? Merong mga ma-approve talaga. Yeah. I'm hearing, child support. Financial. No, pagdating sa finances, may paganda. Yeah, success. Victory. The Three of Cups, the Three of Hearts. May chance ng collaboration, may chance ng sabihin nating ang tawag dyan, occasion, may mga ganyang bagay. Get-togetherness, meron din ako nakukuhang ganon. Okay? And this is sabihin nating, yeah, this is the Ace of Swords. Clarity. Answers. Could be, sabihin nating, endings, pero magdadala ng new beginnings for you. Okay? So, yeah, that's nice. So, pataas yung energy ng mga collective. So, mabuti naman, no? Oo, yung mga nanonood, yung mga nakasubscribe, yung mga nakafollow na dyan noon pa. So, may chance. Nakasali na kayo dito. Okay, so sabi ko nga, kung gusto mong manood ng collectives, lalo na kung bago na collectives na reading, mas maganda nakasubscribe ka na, nakafollow ka na para ikaw yung mababasa natin. Okay? So, yeah, don't forget. Some of you, may chance na pwede kayo makapag-ipon. Okay? You have here 3 aces. Money and love. Some of you, may chance na makuha the best of both worlds. Okay? Ngayong month. Yeah, there's a lot of changes and new beginnings for you. Okay? So, may chance ng struggle. May chance ng sabihin nating challenge. na mangyayari ngayong May, pero sa paayos, sa paganda. Okay? So, yun ang aking nakikita for you, collectives, pagdating sa general. So, let's see what's for you in love. Okay. So, sa mga hindi pa ready, hindi pa okay, wala pa yung kanilang zodiac sign pagdating sa person on your mind. Okay. So, ito yun. Pwedeng dito ka makinig. Okay? So, ano bang meron? If the person on your mind, collectives, who is this? Let's see. Situation muna. Anong sitwasyon nyo ng taong to? Anong situation nyo? The Knight of Cups. And Three of Swords. Somebody is giving the cold shoulder. Merong fluctuating pagdating sa energy ng love. Somebody is hot and cold. Okay, hot and cold. Yeah, the Knight of Wands is here in reversed. Oh no, there could be third parties involved. I'm sorry. May age gap ako nakikita rito because of this Queen of Pentacles and the Knight of Cups. May age gap. Hindi naman masyadong kalakihan, pero yeah. There could be third parties involved sa situation. Okay? So, pwedeng hindi consistent yung person mo sa'yo. Yeah, the Knight of Cups. Okay. So, ano bang meron sa person para malaman mong siya to? Some of you, you're in separation with your person. Who is this? Okay. The Queen of Swords. Okay. So, pinapakitaan ka ngayon ng taong to na detached siya, cold siya, silent. Okay. Could be Libra. Queen of Swords and the Five of Wands. Itong taong ito, ang galing nitong mang-blame. Lagi siya yung tama. Lagi siya yung tama dito. Even though sa kanya talaga mismo, siya mismo yung naha-hot seat. Ang galing nito ibaling sa'yo. Ang galing nito na parang ikaw ang umupo dito. Ikaw ang dapat nasa hot seat. Talika. Parang ganon. Okay. So, yun sila. Yun ang nakukuha ko sa kanya. Some of them, they have legal issues. Legal background. Some of them. Magaling silang mag-defend sa sarili. Collectives. Magaling silang dumipensa. Defense. What? Let's see. Their emotion. Okay. Sinaktan ka ng taong to. Ito napaka tawag dyan specific. Nasaktan ka niya, pero ang dahilan is ikaw. Ikaw ang tinuturo niyang dahilan kung bakit niya nagawa yung masaktan ka. Ouch. Okay, let's see. What is your emotion right now for you, collectives? The Seven of Pentacles. Sinisisi ka niya. Why? Yeah, the Five of Cups. Grabe. Oo, the Wheel of Fortune in reverse. Sa totoo lang sila naman talaga yung issue dito. Seven of Cups in reverse. Ikaw naman at ikaw ang lagi na lang pinupuntahan, binabalikan if ever. Aalis sila, lalayo sila. Babalikan pa rin ikaw. Laging ganun. Bakit ka binabalikan kung ikaw lagi yung may mali? No. Sila yung may mali dito. They're a time waster. They're a time waster. Okay? Walang pagkukulang sa'yo. Hinahanapan ka lang nito ng butas. Para makaramdam ka ng regrets if ever. Naiinis ako dito sa person mo. Oo. Sa totoo lang. They're immature. They are immature. Ay, Buhay. Okay, so let's see what is there your next action towards you. Kung kayo ay separated ngayon, nakagawa siya ng mali sa'yo in general, let's see what is your next action. Some of them, they're regretting. Oo. Ito gusto ng taong to na panghinayangan mo siya. Yes. Diba, nakakainis. Oo. So, tingnan natin ano next action niya. Judgment in reverse. Wow. And the Nine of Cups. Wow. Ipapamukha sa'yo ng taong to na napaka-deserving niya, na sabihin natin napaka-worth it niya. Diyan yung value niya. Mga ganyang bagay. Na kailangan mong bumalik sa kanya. Sabihin natin napakaswerte mo at babalik siya sa'yo. Mainis tayo sabay-sabay. Mainis tayo. Oh my gosh. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Mainis tayo. Wait lang. I cannot. Diba? Temperance in reverse. Nakakainis talaga. Oo. I cannot. Makikipag-ayos to. Kasi, mataas ang tingin niya sa sarili niya. Diba? Swerte mo nga daw at babalikan ka pa. Wow. Swerte mo Tingnan natin. Anong outcome? Slash advice for you, my collectives. Kainaman diba? Ay, buhay. Death in reverse. Good luck sa iyo. Oo, this is a repeat. A repeat cycle. Good luck. Death in reverse. Walang pagbabago po dito. Dadaan na naman kayo sa ganyan. Sabihin natin sa kung anong pinagdaanan nyo. Yun pa rin. Yeah, 7 of Cups. Oo, you are their best option. Yun ang totoo. You are their best option. Itong taong to talaga, lagi mo lang tinatanggap. Isang malaking, issue, no? Isa siyang isyung naglalakad. Okay? Ito yung issue, ito yung toxic na nilagyan ng paa. Para makapaglakad. No? Yes. Good luck sa iyo. Good luck. Iba sa inyo pwedeng nafi-fix yung kabuhayan mo, kaperahan mo kapag wala to. Yes. Anyway, so congrats. Congrats, no? Kasi babalik sa'yo. Oo, yung taong to. Natingin niya, napakaswerte mo at babalikan ka niya. Diba? Itabi mo. Ako na. Ako nang magagalit para sa'yo. Diba? Oo. Sabay-sabay tayong HB sa reading na to. Okay. I-share nyo para marami ding ma-HB. Ha? Okay. Anyway. So, yeah, yun lamang ang aking nakikita for you. Mga collectives. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.